December 17th, 2025. I'm at the old Fair Oaks Bridge trying to get some shots of this barn owl that's in a cave. He's way back there. I think there might be both in there. I can't tell for sure. But there might be another one back at this one. But real difficult to get any light in there because they're so far back in the cave. You can see him a little bit. There's his face. Playing with the brightness thing, but that's all I can do. If the sun was out, I might get a better picture, but it's overcast.